Well, with the price of pecans on the rise, domestic use might be on the decline this holiday season. However, that doesn't mean the overall demand won't be at an all-time high. The Monitor's Damon explains.
Nothing says Thanksgiving more than some turkey, dressing, and of course, pecans. However, that might not be the case this holiday season, as consumers will have to shell out more than $10 per pound for the latter, a more than 20% increase over last year. And a major reason for that is the decrease in supply, which is partly due to a poor harvest in states like Texas and Louisiana, the problem the South Georgia growers haven't really had to deal with.
The harvests went really well. The weather's been great. No rain, which is good for us, bad for some people, but that's good for us. The harvest has gone faster that way since the weather's cooperated. Well, the quality in Georgia has been relatively great. The pounds are higher than normal. It's just been a good crop in Georgia. Georgia's always a good producer of pecans in the country.
Another reason for the price hike is the huge jump in overseas demand. And it's one country in particular that is the driving force behind the pop in pecan prices.
The increased demand in China is the main reason. No other, really.
China, whose diet is very high in nuts, took off in late 2007 after walnuts became more expensive than pecans. In fact, the demand is so great now that more than half of this crop will be shipped overseas. However, that doesn't mean consumers in the United States won't get their fill this holiday season.
Domestically, I think the demand will probably increase a little bit, although the price may curtail that.
So couple the decrease in supply and the sudden increase in demand, and producers are finding it difficult to keep up. That means changes have to be made around the processing plants in order to keep up with the times. And that's no different for Pecan's Pecans, as they've upgraded their facilities over the past couple of years.
In the cleaning plant and the bagging plant back there, the cleaning plant has been around since the 70s, so that's not a new operation, but we've expanded the equipment back there, put in some new dryers that are more efficient to try to conserve energy and also to do it a little bit cheaper for the customer. And we've increased our capacity in our 50-pound bag facility as well to keep up with the demand created by China.
It's not just raw pecans that are a hot item this holiday season, which means Worsham has to expand its business.
Well, in the retail store, we shell our own pecans to ship out. We also do some candies and some jellies that we also ship and do gift baskets, tins, things like that.
And speaking of expansion, Pecan's Pecans has become very active on the internet, which includes this new look website. It's just another option Worsham thinks growers might want to look into.
Just give us another outlet for some of our product. We don't sell nowhere near all of our product on the internet, but it just kind of gives us another, I guess, revenue stream for the business.
A business that for the time being appears to be booming. For the Georgia Farm Monitor, I'm Damon Jones.